Meanwhile, this kirtan was so louder that it went everywhere, and hearing the sound, and from any his god, Hiranyakashipu knew that all boys are going to be destroyed. At once he took his sword and club and he came. Oh, you have no fear? Why fear? Who is shedding and who is your bulb?
Strength.
Strength. Oh, who is the strength of yours? Same. Then he is everywhere. Everywhere I am not seeing. Oh, I am seeing. Is he in this pillar? Oh, yes, he is in pillar. And then he with his and that pillar was smashed. And big sound. How big sound came? Oh, why not ready already? Going What doing?
Sleeping.
Bala is not doing anything.
Oh, wow.
No lion. Upper part like lion and lower part like man. Oh, so many thousands of arms, so many astra, weapons, and he catch hold of Hiranyakashipu. It was not day or night, it was evening. Not in sky, not in earth, on his lap. Not outside, not inside, on the door. Not by any people, only by nails. And not created by Brahma, he was not created. He is created of Brahma and Shankara and all. And in a second he what?
Ripped him apart.
Finished and took his
Intestines.
everywhere. And he can play with years. And flame from his head coming, Jata. Then all fear. Brahma told to Shankar, please go, you are very near and dear to Krishna, so you should pacify. Oh, I cannot go today. And then Lakshmi was told, she told that now I cannot go, I am fearing. Then they asked Prahlad, and Prahlad running, he went there and he fell flat on the lotus feet of Nrsimhadev. And then Nrsimhadev, all anger and everything was subsided. And he took Prahlad Maharaj on his lap and told, I want to give you some benediction, please ask. Oh, Prahlad Maharaj told, I am not a businessman that I want anything for your bhakti. If anything, to desire to take anything, you should rectify that. Then he told, even something you should want. Then he told, my father should be happy, he should be liberated because he has done aparat to you and you are bhakt to me. Oh, he is liberated. Your 21 generation are liberated because you are son Uttam Mahabharata. And they will be, who will be Madhyamadhikari? they will be liberated
14.
14. And those who are simply Kanishta Vaishnava Adhikari,
7.
if any son like Kanishta, then his 7th generation will be liberated. Thus Prahlad Maharaj is Jnani Bhakti. But by tongue, by hands, by mind, how he served Krishna, who is his worshipable form. Machine came, and in a moment he
disappeared.
And what services? His Parabrahma had no appetite, no thirst. He cannot give all these things. He is not like that he will message. He is self-satisfied Atmaram of Atmaram. He needs nothing. So Prahlad Maharaj only doing Shravan Kirtan, nothing else. So Shuddha Bhakta Ambarish is more superior than. Though Ambarish Maharaj is not first, that is Siddha, and Prahlad Maharaj is Siddha. But even how he is superior, you can tell. In brief, the Bhakti Vedanta Swami Maharaj, Puru Maharaj, from New York, he has left his body. He was pure Bhakta, and he has served his Gurudev. And after his Gurudev, he is serving and helping in so many ways. We are indebted to him. He was bosom friend of mine, and we have lost today a pillar of bhakti as he was. So I pray Krishna to be merciful, to sprinkle his mercy to him, that where he is, his soul is, he should be happy and peaceful, and he will increase his devotion in Krishna, and he should have Krishna name. Only we can do. So today, all we are lamenting for him and praying him that you should be merciful to all. Guru Prabhu, you should be merciful to us that we can serve Gurudev like you. Then, if Durvasa Rishi was running for 1 year, Sudarshan at once in a second he finished that demon.
Durvasa, yes.
Lady.
Married a man.
But why not to Durvasa? He can burn and cut the head of Durvasa in a second, in a moment, at once. But because Ambarish Maharaj was praying, oh Sudarshan Chakra,
Please
don't give him any pain. That is why. Secondly, Durvasa ji has done this to show world how high is Ambarish Maharaj, even greater than Brahma Gyan. He was pure Bhakt. So, thirdly, if he was 1 year, he took nothing until Rishi came and he gave him delicious fruit, prasadam. Then how he kept his Ekadasi? How?
He Ekadashi and
Huh?
he did Ekadashi and take Charanamrit. Nirjala
In
Ekadashi,
a Dwadashi he used to do paran by
Charanamrit.
only Charanam. So his Ekadashi, Dwadashi and everything was okay. Now Ambarish Maharaj has served the deities only. He has gone to the places of Vrindavan, everywhere. He has
Meditate.
remember the sweet pastimes of Krishna. He has heard always Krishna Katha. But one thing, by his body and senses, he had not served properly to Supreme Lord. Only he has remembered. But Premi Bhakta Hanuman, he has served Ram. He can message. His Ram can be tired. He may be hungry. So fruits from forest he used to collect and give them. When Sita was stolen, he jumped the ocean and went there and he burnt the whole Lanka in ashes. And then he told Sita, you should come on my back, I will take. Oh no, Ram should come here. I will not touch anyone without Ram. And then he took his
Ring. Ring.
Chandrika and told, give me something that I will show around that I have discovered, I have seen. Then Sita gave and he went, returned back. And then again, you know that how the bridge was done. And after that, he has saved Ram and Lakshman from Shakti Sev and other things. Always serving. But one thing, he served him only by Dasya Ras. He served him. He cannot embrace Ram. He cannot give his sweet remnants to Ram. He cannot sit on the same throne on Ram. He cannot go inside when Ram is with Sita. He cannot. So, there is something less. So, Pandavas are more superior. They are Prem Par Bhakta. Why? Krishna became servant of Arjun. And Arjun told, take my chariot in the middle of the
Army.
And he did like so. When his horses were tired, Krishna used to massage the legs of horses again. And he used to serve the horses for Arjun. Once Narad came to Shankarji, I want to see a very high class of devotee in this world. He told that you should go to Indraprastha. And there you should go to the palace of Arjun. He went there and he saw. What he saw? In a bed. Same palank. Krishna is sleeping. Arjun is sleeping together. But Arjun's head was in the feet of Krishna and Krishna's feet was on the head of both. Arjun embracing his feet, Krishna embracing his Arjun's feet. And from the core of Arjun, Krishna was seeing this. Narad Rishi was very happy and he began to sing the glories of Arjun. So, not even only that, Krishna has given his sister Subhadra
to Arjun.
and he has become Shala,
Brother-in-law.
brother-in-law of Arjun. Not only that, he had taught Abhimanyu all astra and everything, and always serving. Hanuman serving to Ram, but Krishna serving to Arjun, Draupadi, Maharaj Yudhishthir, and others. Like brothers, like Sakha. And then, mostly to Draupadi, he used to tell Sakhi. But there is something. But as per Jamud always, in the battle of Mahabharata, Arjun, Krishna showed him Vishwarup.
Universal form.
Universal form.
Universal
form.
form. And lakhs of mouths, very big. Fire coming everywhere. And all are within the teeth of Vishwarup. All are dying. Krishna told that all are dead. You should nimitta matra bhava sabdya sachi. Don't fear that I am killing. Oh, they are by their karma, they are all killed by me. Arjun saw this and began to pray, Prabhu, I have done wrong, some offensive in Lotus feet. That I have told you, Hey Sakha, Hey Krishna, bring my chariot here and there, serve my horses. Oh, please excuse me. From now, I will not do like this. So, Arjun Bhakti is like Aishwarya. More than this, Jadvansi and among them, Uddhav is Prematul Bhakt. But you know, Krishna told him, I have told you, Krishna told that go to Vrindavan and pacify my father and mother. He sent Uddhav not to pacify him. He knew without me, my going, they will not be satisfied. So he wanted that Uddhav should go and take training in the college of Prem, where principal is Radhika. Vishakha and Lalita are professor of the subjects. He should go and learn what is Prem, and then he should return back, and then I will talk with him and I will lessen my suffering or bigger separation for Radhika and all gopis, my father, mother and son. He went there, but he was not admitted in the because he was unfit. Gopis asked him some questions, but he could not reply. So he returned back, but he saw the glory of gopis, and then he began to tell, Asamaho Charanare Nisham Vindavane Kimatul Mandapau. Oh, I want to be a dust so that I want to be Trina Gulma, crosses, plague of cross, on which gopi will keep their feet dust there, and my life will be successful. And then he told also, Javai Syarchit Ajadivi Apta Kamai Yogeshwarish Yogeshwari Javai Syarchit Ajadivi Apta Kamai Yogeshwari Jadatma Nirasa Gostya Krishnasya Tad Bhagavat Charanar Vindam Nastam Tanesh Vijahupaya. Those Brahman, Shankar and others meditating the feet of Krishna, but that feet not coming in their meditation, and that by that few gopis kept that 4 feet on their breast, and they took away this the calm flame of Krishna also satisfied. Not there. The thought which was in the heart of Krishna, oh, they removed it. Vande Nanda Brajai Strinam Padavin Vabhiknasa Jasa Harikatoti Tanat Bhuvanat. I'm doing